Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s to the power of 9, we can put into s to the power of 5 multiplied by s to the power of 4. This one, s to the power of 10, we can write into s to the power of 5 everything to the power of 2. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to s to the power of 5. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you will go about the u equal to 5s to the power of 4 ds. Because we don't have number 5 in here, so we need to divide both sides of number 5. So this one we change for u, this one we change for u, this one we change for u. S to the power of 4 ds we change for the u over 5. So about number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. And this one in here, we will change for u plus 1 everything to the power of 2. And now we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So that means I will put about u plus 1 equal to tan t, because if we put tan t go in here, you will go about tan t square plus 1. Tan t square plus 1 we change for secant of t square, and later that we simplify by du. Next, because we still have u in here, so we need to put number 1 go to the right. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to secant of t square dt. So we have u plus 1, that's about tan t. U, that's about tan t minus 1. Du, that's about secant of t square dt. And this one we change for secant of t square. And this one we change for secant of t to the power of 4. Later that we simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. And we know that we that 1 divide secant of t square, you go about cosine t square. And we know that tan t, that's about sine t over cosine t. We know that cosine t square will multiply by sine t over cosine t and number 1. And we simplify cosine t. So I will put number 2 over 2 in here. The reason I need to put number 2 over 2 because 2 sine t cosine t, that's about sine 2t. Cosine t square, we will change for cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. And now I will put number 2 outside. 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 2, you got about 1 over 10. And this one you got about sine 2t. This one you got about negative cosine 2t, negative number 1. And now we got the final answer. The integral of sine 2t, that's about negative 1 over 2 cosine 2t. The integral of cosine 2t, you will got about 1 over 2 sine 2t. The integral of number 1, you got about t. And we put about c. About t, we need to return back to this one. And we got about t equals to arctan of u plus 1. So we put this one to replace for t. And t in here. Oh, sorry. That it should be in here, sorry. About u, that's is about this one, s to the power of 5. This is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.